My name is Lynn Fox and I'll be giving you the student tutorial for WebAdvisor. You'll begin by going up to the top of the screen and click on the tab that says Login. From there, you will enter your username and password. This will take you to a screen that allows you to choose your role. We will be using the student role today. From there, you will go to your current Student WebAdvisor student menu, and it allows you to take a look at yourself as a new student, your student account in financial services, your financial aid, scholarships, how you communicate with your advisor. It also allows you to register for classes and gives you different options for your academic profile and academic planning. For this purpose today, we will be registering for classes. So we will go up to the registration section and click on Register for Sections. From there, you'll have the opportunity to choose either Search and Register for Sections, Express Registration if you already know what class you need and the course number, subject, and the section number, or register for previously selected sections and drop sections. So today we're going to be using the Search and Register for Sections. I'm just going to roll that up a little for you. We will be searching for term spring semester 2020. Our subject is going to be in the field of instructional technology. We're going to leave this very broad so it brings up all the classes offered next spring. You'll then click Submit, and from there you'll see all of the classes that are available. So in the event that you're looking for this one class that you have to finish, you can take a look here and see if it's offered. And I believe we have it right here. So we're going to be registering for spring semester seminar in instructional technology. That's EDT 690. That is with Dr. Joe Winslow, and it is an online distance learning class beginning January 13th, 2020 until May 7th, 2020. So after you check the boxes of the classes that you need, you would just click Submit. Okay. It would then bring you up to your preferred selections. You'll also see on this page your current registrations. So if you're actually in the middle of taking a course for fall semester 2019, these will also appear. Okay, from there you will select an action. You'll select Register, and you will submit. So in a perfect world, it would allow you to register for those sections. It would enter you in that class and reserve your spot. For this practice, it will not allow me to actually register for this class because express registration and early registration has not opened yet. So any questions, you should always contact your advisor. Even before trying to register for classes, you want to meet with your advisor so you'll be sure that you're in the right class at the right time. Thanks for watching.